What is a low slope application? Today I'm out in Brenham. I think that's how it's said, anyways. And I'm taking a look at a low slope roof. So what does that mean? So a low slope roof. So you can see right here, this roof here has a rise of about 4 inches per 12 inches going across this way. So 4 inches up for 12 inches across. I guess the better way to do it would be 4 inches up for 12 inches this way. This roof here is about 2-inch rise for every 12 inches across. So that means that it's a 212 pitch, which is considered a low slope application. So essentially what we do in a low slope application, there's a couple different ways to do it. You can do ice and water shield on the entire roof. I don't personally feel like that's the best way to do it, especially with all the shortages that we're experiencing right now. Ice and water shield is going to be one of the things that is hard to find this year. So, so you could do ice and water on the whole roof, which a lot of guys do, or you can do ice and water shield on the first 36 to 44 inches of the eave, depending on the soffit width, and then double synthetic all the way up the roof. So when I say double synthetic, I mean you put a row of synthetic on and then you cover it halfway. You put a roll of synthetic on and you put it halfway the next row, and then you start your next row halfway on the next synthetic, and you do it all the way up the roof so that you get double layer synthetic all the way up the roof. And that's just because low slope applications tend to have a lot of issues. You can see over here they've come and tarred this vent. Basically what's happening here is the snow is melting up here and it's ice damming down here, so the water's coming down, freezing on the eave, and then building up and getting underneath this vent. So they come up here and tarred the bottom, and I always suggest that you don't tar the bottom. If you are having problems, get somebody that knows what they're doing to fix it up for you. And they've done the same thing over here. Ice and water is going to build up behind this chimney, so it's a really good idea to make sure that when somebody comes out to do your roof, if you have a low slope roof, they're using a low slope application so ice can't build up and get into your roof. Anyways, that's what a low slope application is. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message in the comments or DM me or PM me or whatever it's called. And I'll be happy to answer your questions. And if you need an estimate, my number is 780-906-5111. Thanks, guys.